Hello students, I am going to discuss the crossover system to write down the molecular formula. All of you know, for writing the molecular formula with the help of this particular system, you need the symbol of the element. That means you should have the knowledge about the symbol of the element or the symbol of the polyatomic ions. Number one. Number two, you should know the valency of the radicals, valency of the element, atoms of the element. Then only you will able to write down the molecular formula properly. At the very beginning, I want to show you a simple molecule, water. Water. How to write down the molecular formula of water? Water is formed by hydrogen and oxygen. That knowledge you should have, that which element combine to form that particular molecule. All of you know water is formed by combining hydrogen and oxygen. So I am writing the symbol of hydrogen and the oxygen. Now just below it you write down the valency of it. Hydrogen valency 1 and oxygen valency 2. If you cross over it, and then in the next step what you will do, you will write down the valency in the right hand side of the another element. That means valency of oxygen is 2, it will go to the right hand side of hydrogen, and valency of hydrogen is 1, it will go to the right hand side of oxygen. So this is the second step. Now as oxygen is 1 oxygen atom is only present, meaning is that as I am writing 1 here after crossing over, so you can write down the formula of water like this, H2O. So this is the formula of water. Another example I am giving you, ammonia. Ammonia gas. Ammonia gas is formed by hydrogen and nitrogen. So I am writing the nitrogen and the hydrogen, symbol of nitrogen and symbol of hydrogen. Then the valency of nitrogen I am writing below 3 and valency of hydrogen I am writing below. Then I am crossing over. After crossing over, what you will get? N1H3. This is the second step. N1H3. That means as it is 1, so I can write finally NH3. So this is the formula of ammonia gas. So for writing the molecular formula, you need to know the symbol of the element properly and which atoms of which element combine to form the molecule. That one you should know, and then finally you should know the valency correctly. Then write down the valency just below it and then crossing over. After crossing over, you will get this form. And finally this is the molecular formula. This is for water, this is for ammonia. Now I am taking the molecule such as suppose potassium sulfate. Potassium sulfate. Now you see potassium, simply all of you know K. So its valency is 1. But sulfate is a radical. What is the formula of sulfate radical? SO4. And what is the charge? -2. So valency is 2. You write down here like this, but you give a bracket around this radical because it is the polyatomic ion. So as a whole, you give the bracket around it. After that, you cross over it. So after giving the crossing over, then what you will get in the next step? K2SO4 1. Then you see SO4 radical, after crossing over you are getting here 1 only. So since it is only 1, so you can write like this, K2SO4 without giving the bracket. That means you can remove the bracket now. So this is the molecular formula of K2SO4. So like that we do. I am showing you another example. Suppose ammonium sulfate. You see in this case now, this is ammonium sulfate. So in this case now, ammonium is also a radical polyatomic ion, NH4. So give a bracket around it. And sulfate is also a polyatomic ion, SO4. Give a bracket. So what is the valency of ammonium? You see this is ammonium radical. All of you know in the radical table you have got it. NH4 plus, that means its valency plus means plus 1. So magnitude of this charge will be the valency. So write the valency here. Then sulfate radical valency SO4 minus 2 charge, so valency will be 2. So write down like this and then you cross over it. After crossing over, what you will get? NH4 2 SO4 1. So this is the formula. Now in the next step, NH4 bracket 2 you cannot remove because it is 2. But SO4, around the SO4 bracket you can remove because it is 1. So this is the formula of ammonium sulfate. So in this way we can write down the molecular formula by the crossover system. I repeat again, for writing the molecular formula of a molecule, you need to know the symbol of the element or the polyatomic ion or the radical properly, and also you should know the valency of the element. Thank you very much.